Hey guys, what's up? I'm Hussein Tabi from HT Design, and in today's Illustrator lecture, we are going to learn about documents, how the pen and zoom function works. So without wasting time, let's move on.
Hey guys, now we are into Illustrator. Those who are familiar with the interface, they knows that what these are. We can see here the collapse panels, tools, menus. But this area is empty because we do not have any document. So let's create a document. Go to the file and click on new. The shortcut is Ctrl N, you can see here. Now this is the document. Right now it is showing you the recent one, what I have used just now, in my last projects. Here if you have saved something, we'll show you. And these are the presets ready. If you are making something for mobile, choose from this one. For web, choose from this one. For print, you have these settings here. You can check the sizes. But most of the time what happens is client give you their own dimensions. Okay, like if you are making a signboard, logos, they'll tell you that this signboard is going to put on, like for example in the reception area, and the size is 1 by 1 meter or maybe 1 by 3 meter. Like that they will give you the sizes, the dimensions. Okay, so you have to put that dimension here. And if you are working something for digital purpose, like for Instagram or something, then you have to put sizes according to that. Okay, like the A4 or maybe 30 by 30 centi square for your Instagram or whatever. Here first of all you have to name your project. Okay, you can name it here. Then here you have to choose the units. Now how you work is you like inches, millimeters, centimeter. I like to work in centimeters. So what I'll do, let's create like 100 centimeter by 300 centimeter, which is 1 by 3 meter. Okay, and here you can set the orientation. You want vertical or you want horizontal. As you see, when I clicking here, these are changing. Okay, so right now this is horizontal and the size of the width is this 3 meter and the height will come 1 meter. And here you can show that how many artboards you want. If I click 2 and if I create, it will show you cannot fit artboard in canvas size. Please change the artboard size or the number of artboards and try again. This is the most important thing to know. In Illustrator, maximum you can create 5.5 meter artboard. Okay, if someone gives you like 18 meter by 3 meter of signage design work, you cannot create here 3 by 18 meter of artboard. Okay, so you have to work in a 10% of the size. How you can do that? Let me create this 1 by 3 again. Okay, so I will type this, 3 meter. I'll create 1 meter. Okay, and I have this activated and I'll type only 1 and I create. So you can see I have got it, no problem at all. Okay, 1 meter by 3 meter. But when I see 2, what it does, 3 meter and then again here the 3 meter will come, so it will be 6 meter, and as I told you, maximum 5.5 it supports. Okay, so it will not show you there. So what I'll do is, let's cancel this one, press Ctrl it again, and I'll work in like 10%. I'll create 30 centi by height 10 centi. Okay, now it's not 3 by 1 meter, it's like 30 centi by 10 centi. And then later, after finishing all the design, you can go to the other software like Photoshop and increase the size. So now if I make 2, I'll have 2, because this now is only 30 centi, not a 3 meter. It's a 10% of the 3 meter. Okay, so like that you have to manage your artboards, whatever design you are working on. Alright, let's cancel this again. Let's go here. For now, let's create only one artboard, like 50 by 50 centi. Okay, this is the bleed. Okay, like if you want to print something and you want to bleed off like the extra space in the left and right and top and bottom, you want 2 centimeter or 5 centimeter. So when you cut your design or when you fold your design, the main part of your design which comes in 50 by 50 will not be disturbed. So for that you can give the bleed. For now I'm not giving anything. And here is the color mode. RGB is used for digital medias and CMYK we use for printing. So if you are designing something which you want to give for print, take CMYK. And if you are making something to post on Insta or to digital marketing, then do the RGB. Okay, so for now I'm going for RGB and press create, and you have it 50 by 50 centimeter artboard, and then you can start drawing and creating things here. Anytime you feel after creating things, after creating this artboard, if you feel I want another artboard, you don't have to cancel, you don't have to go back. Okay, what you can do is just take this, press Alt and drag here and leave, and you have 2 here. Okay, you have to zoom, only then you are able to see this. Let me move it aside. See, you have 2 artboard there. So by pressing Alt and drag the artboard, you can create the new artboard. Okay, and you want to delete, here is the artboard tool, click again, select and delete. Click here again for the selection, and you are out of the artboard tool. You can start working again. If you want to activate the artboard, only then you have to create this one. From here you can change the size also. You can see now it's 64, 65 centi by 50 centi. It's changing. See, you can change the size of your artboard like this after creating it. Or you can directly type here, like I want 75 by 50 centimeter. Type and click enter, and now it's 75 by 50 centimeter artboard. Okay, and then to activate this, to execute this, again you have to click on the selection tool, the shortcut you can see there, V, and then it's all done and you can start drawing it. So this is how you can manage your artboards, okay, in the document. Now whatever I have done here, if I have made something, okay, like this, and I want to zoom in here or zoom out these things, what you can do, there is a tool called zoom tool. Z is the shortcut. Click on this. Now you can see this plus sign. If I want to zoom in here, just click and do not release your left mouse button. Just click and you'll see you are going into there. Okay, then you again go to your selection tool. You can select this, you can change this. Once this is done, again take the zoom tool. This time I want to zoom out. How you zoom out? Press Alt. When you press Alt, it will show you minus. Drag, click, and it is gone. So when you click, it will zoom in. When you press Alt, it will zoom out. Okay, another way is just click and drag. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, if you want to zoom here, just click and drag. See? Okay, there's one more way, and that is if you are working somewhere and you don't want to activate this tool, what you can do, you can press Control plus and Control minus for zoom in, zoom out. Or there's one more way. For example, I'm working in here. Press Alt and just scroll the middle mouse button, the scroll, that circle you have in the middle of your mouse, just scroll that, okay, by pressing Alt. See, this is the best and faster what I do, and this is called painting. Press space and this hand will appear, okay, or you can go and take from here hand tool and you can pen. Okay, so zoom in, zoom out, press Alt and you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can move with your hands with the hand of Illustrator, And if you are in a different tool, any tool is selected, for example right now is the selection tool selected, then if you press Alt you can zoom in, zoom out, and if you press spacebar you can paint. Okay, and anytime if you want the complete artboard to be visible in the center of your document, press Ctrl 0. Now it is set here. So like by pressing Alt and scroll, I'm zooming here, I want to work here, I'm pinning like this, then I work here and I went down, I worked here, then I press Ctrl 0 to fit, and the work is done. Okay, so this is all about the documents, zoom function and the paint function. These three things are very important, because without creating a document you won't be able to draw anything, and without knowing the zoom and paint you won't be able to work either. Alright, so this is enough for today's class, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. See you in the next video.